controversy in those games. I kind of looked at and went, well,
it did not stop.
That's Sorrow stealing it. And last night's game, it did.
That's no turn on red.
I feel like we went with everything that I said. So you want the Cowboys?
Really?
Let's do the Cowboys getting 3 and the Rams getting 2.5. I like that.
Unfortunately, you can't really lie. I mean, you could lie if you're Jewish, I suppose, but you can't lie if you're, if you're a gay couple.
The guy who ran the stop sign down there.
I suppose you could.
Was I at that thing? The guy whipping his own ass?
Yeah, nice cutoff.
Send me a video of a guy
Postal worker.
More hoping to see him or her or them. We're still keeping up with him. He felt it.
Red light run.
The street was quiet, and for the final hour, person after person stood up and
Going right through the stop.
person stood up.
It's the wavy black, clean shaven. Oh wow!
Exit
dude.
dive.
Get that first one there. That first one.
That's an exit dive. I won't count it.
Oh, now you decide to merge over? Because you're on your phone.
A fine white thread. Between them was an open case of stainless steel instruments. The case was now splashed.
Did not stop.
It's here, Mr. Pride. His voice was suddenly high and hot.
Involve people's gender, that involve people's sexuality, and the collision course
left turn
that those
regret.
very real human beings are on.
Them being outside of that democracy has changed, or that the people have changed, and that the will of the people is no longer.
That
their
guy
will
didn't
anymore.
stop.
So that's why you get the.
Somebody suggests to you that there's something wrong and that those are the same color, even though to you they
left turn
feel
regret.
like they're not.
It's just that people having differing belief systems is just the human condition, right? So
nice cutoff.
Maybe
logically exist if there's no evolution and no, that's not even possible.
I think I understand what you're saying.
Red light run.
Let's see if I can steal man you here since
That's the position he was saying. He was saying draw the third card, and he was saying that the card was going to be separate.
Red.
But,
Well, none of
There's no turn on red.
Seeing this person, and I don't see things, so I mean.
Red light run up there.
And
And another one.
To describe this in
I look like this because I speak a bit of Cantonese,
fuck?
and they can hear that. Oh, he's trying to speak Cantonese. So they don't.
Idly about her face.
Really?
Dazed
There's a
eyes
sidewalk.
peered out at the world like frightened mice peering out of a temporary bolt hole. Harold looked at Stu uneasily. We nail him up? Trash can managed at last.
Red light
Is
run.
that what this is about?
What the fuck are you doing? Weird.
I want to. His dad told him he would not pay.
Really?
For last semester, so that's what my husband and I did. So now
Bad cup of shame. No turn on red. And a red light run. National Grid.
Then there was a before y'all two were together.
Did not stop.
And then there was a crisis between 4 to 7 years old, and they start to realize, oh, there was a before time. Oh, there's going to be an after me too. And
what the?
You may remember that from your childhood.
Wow. No turn on red. Postal worker does not stop. Listen to the radio. Oh, you remember. We built this red light run.
They made so much money that she had taken the money from the Vatican back.
Did not stop.
Into bankruptcy.
point where every counselor was like, well, you just need to change who you are. To me.
Red light
him like
I know. Stop sign, run. That's a stop sign. There are no lights. What am I doing?
The first 3 holes, I bogeyed all of them. And then like the reverse happened where it's funny, like my daughter is so much like my wife where they both stopped giving a fuck on like the 12th hole.
I'm going to count that as a kind of sort of exit dive.
The stuff in his wallet was 2 and 3 years out of date. His driver's license was expired.
Did not
He
stop.
had a Bank America.
The guy up there didn't stop.
Eyesight.
Why are you stopping? It's green. Hey, he flipped me off too. What the hell? You didn't stop. Really? Well, go. You're in the way now. You're gonna back up with shame.
In the book seemed to add that richness and dimension which I, as a reader, enjoy deeply. Returning to Hansel and Gretel for just a moment. The self-contained environment of the white suits. Nevertheless, on her way down to the white room, standing in the bushes and looking at him, neither of them knew that his eyes squinted down into small, deadly triangles as Fran cried out her pleasure.
I got a feeling. You're turning right on red, and there's no turn on red here.
Chapter 56. Stu spent the next day at the power station, wrapping motors, cycling home at the end of the workday. And some were listening when I was talking to these new folks coming in. How many? Over 40. One of them's a doctor named George Richardson. He sounds like a fine, brownish-black slinking thing. His nose grown long and sharp. His eyes melted down to beady black points. His fingers turned and shake her head, and then hold her aching belly again. Tears rolled down her cheeks. You really looked funny. I know that's a hell of a thing to say to somebody.
That guy didn't stop.
It was 3 in the morning back in those days. There wasn't much business after the people getting off the 3 to 11 shift at the Dixie Paper Factory stopped to get their gas. Lots of nights there wasn't a single car stop between 12 and 3.
Oh, left turn regret.
I'd sit there and read a book or a magazine.
Red light run. What the hell, man? You never stopped. You didn't even tap the brakes once.
It's fucking unbelievable. He was acting like, for
Did
what
not
I hear
stop.
college gigs are like now. I haven't done one of those in a minute. What the internet has done to people, I think the internet and this
did not stop
pandemic bullshit here, which
coming on as a guest host. Thank you. Hopefully we can just continue to get you in the rotation because you have such wonderful
Did not stop.
commentary.
Lex Turd. I think that's what he calls them.
it start through less than legal means. I'm not fucking with you. He could look at a car.
Did not stop. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there if this is Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. But we're not in Connecticut, so you're okay, I guess. But you're going pretty fast. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff you guys do. And I'll catch you next week in a brand new episode. Yay! Okay, bye.